In the adjoining figure, 4 capacitors are shown with their respective capacities and potential drop applied, the charge and the potential difference across the 4 microfarad capacitor will be. So first of all, in this question, we need to find out the equivalent capacitance from this diagram. So we can see that 4 and 4 will be in parallel. So that means we can put 20 microfarad like this, and the capacitance, net capacitance of these two will be 4 plus 4, which will be 8 microfarad. Okay, so 8 microfarad will be here, and another one is here, which is 12 microfarad and 300 volts, right? So 300 volts. Now we need to find the equivalent capacitance of these three. So we can apply 1 upon C equivalent will be 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3, where C1, C2 and C3 are 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12. Fine. Now take the LCM. So what do we get? We can write here. So 240. So if you take 20 into 240, so that would be 12. So 12 plus 8, so that would be 30, and here it is going to be 20, right? So C equivalent will be 240 divided by 12 plus 30 plus 20, 50, 62, which is going to be 62 microfarad. Let us make little bit easier one. So 120 by 31. So 120 by 31 microfarad is going to be the equivalent capacitance. So we can find out the value of charge. So charge Q will be equal to C equivalent into V, and the potential drop we applied, which is 300 volts, and this is 120 by 31. So which will give you approximately Q is equal to 1161 microfarad. Okay, if you solve this thing. So now once you got this thing, that means now you know that the charge will be same in series, right? That means charge on 20 microfarad, 8 microfarad and 12 microfarad will be same. So that means Q8 will be 1161 microfarad, correct? Now we know that this 8 microfarad is consist of two capacitors of capacitance 4 microfarad each, right? So situation will be like this. This 8 microfarad is consist of two capacitors each of 4 microfarad, right? So charge will actually divide in the equal ratios because both are same capacitances. So Q4 will be equal to Q8 by 2, which will be 1161 by 2, which will give you approximately 580 microcoulomb. So we got the value of Q4. So now we can find out the potential drop across 4 microfarad capacitors, right? So how do we get it? So simply Q4 will be C4 into V4. So from there V4 will be Q4 is 580, which we earlier calculated microcoulomb, divided by 4 microfarad. So which will give you 145 volts, right? So which options are correct? So the combination of 145 and 580. So option number 4 is having 580 microcoulomb and 145 volts. So this should be your right choice. So option number 4 is the right choice.